Okay, some people smell everything, but what if you can't smell well? It turns out you have a higher chance of dying. So, this study followed 2,500 older adults in Sweden for 12 years. And at the very beginning of the study, they administered what's called an odor identification test, which is a 16-item scratch and sniff test to see how well you smell things. And what they found was that for every answer you got wrong, your chances of dying in the next 6 years were 6% higher. Why might this be? Well, maybe you can't smell your food and you eat rotten food and you get sick that way. Or maybe you can't smell a gas leak and you're more likely to be in an explosion and killed that way. But as it turns out, this actually has to do with dementia. So the strongest mediator of that relationship between your sense of smell and your chances of dying was the onset of dementia. And we know that, for example, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease affect the part of the brain that you use to smell things, and that losing your sense of smell can be one of the first signs of those diseases. So if you or your loved one can't smell things well, unfortunately, that's associated with a higher chance of dying, and it could be an early sign of dementia.